Basically, your life in France had two different aspects. One, you as a student
Yes.
in Lille University, and second, you at your workplace during your internship, and then the little more extension that you had at your job place.
Yeah.
The distinction of the kind of functioning that you had to do, and also there was a difference in Lille University was in North
Yeah,
France,
northern
northern
France.
France, and then you went for your internship in southern
Yeah.
France. So first section I would like to know from you, like how was your university life, the student life? Like how was it different from India? What difference did you see?
So the universities were very much chill there, and yeah, the first freshers party that we had was given to us by our teachers,
Okay.
and it was the first interaction that we had with teachers. Was they gave us a party where all my teachers performed like music. They were like having drinks with us, and like we could do whatever we want, being irrespective of
Okay.
thinking of a hierarchy or something. So that was the they were literally within us. One was this was the main experience. Later in college, it was very different. Here we always had something very theoretical and
Yeah.
exams and everything, but there I had a different experience altogether, where all the assessments would be practically more practical. Such as presentations, maybe, or group work. Group work was a main teamwork that they
Okay.
suggested us to do.
Okay. By the way, you did
Yeah.
tell us the name of the course that you went for.
Yes, it was Masters of Food Science
Okay.
and Bioengineering.
Okay.
So this was a degree program.
Okay, so no wonder we began our interview talking about food because you were studying
Yeah,
food
food
science,
science.
so it is
Yes.
but natural to happen. Okay, so you enjoyed that part where the practical assessment was done and not mugging up of theories
No,
was
not at all.
very
Yeah.
important. So then when you went to the southern France,
Hmm.
so this was the life in residence as
Yeah.
you described with
Yeah.
lots of friends.
Mhm.
Okay, and then in southern France, which was the place where you exactly went, and what was the kind of industry or factory or company where you went for internship, and what was your first experience there, or any funny experience that you had?
So my course included three total internships,
Okay.
and one was the 6 months internship, which was a thesis program for me, and I got it in Toulouse, which is
Okay.
the south of France, and this was in the company called Agronutris.
Okay.
Agronutris deals with insect feed for pets and other animals. So this was a very challenging project for me, and I took it up. I took this opportunity, and I went all the way 900 kilometers from Lille to Toulouse. It was an amazing experience also, wherein I stayed wherein I reached, I guess, on 4th of March, and there was this COVID lockdown which happened on 17th of March.
Okay.
And my internship had begun on just one day before the lockdown.
Oh.
And I stayed, but thankfully, the people that I earned before within this 1 week of staying there in Toulouse were my saviors.
Okay, so
Yes.
you went to Toulouse on 4th,
4th
of
of
March,
March.
and by 13th of March, you had made so many friends.
Yes, already. Because I joined a language. It's called a language exchange program there,
Okay.
wherein we could meet during Wednesdays and maybe Fridays, I guess. And I just went there. I took the opportunity, went there, and I spoke to many people. And
Okay.
they would. I made my first friend there,
Okay.
and they would keep on checking on me during the lockdown
Lockdown
also.
period.
And also I went another. There's this bhajan and kirtan group. Since I love music, and I found the opportunity to find something related to music to
Music.
connect to India also. And there was this group of Toulouse music, Indian music group,
Okay.
where I joined it. I went for the first time, like just 2 days after reaching to Toulouse, I went there, and these people were also very, very, very welcoming. And one of them, we will be meeting her later.
Excited to meet all these people in the next episode. But now I want to ask you one thing. I remember you also did some small internship or something like that in a beer factory. Is it Am I
Yes.
right? What I
Yes.
remember.
So as I told before, there were three internships included in my
Okay.
degree. There was first one which was for a 2 weeks internship, and that I did in Lille in a
Okay.
brewery called Lille Brasserie. There, I would like to share a tiny incident that my supervisor did for me.
Okay. To welcome you.
Yeah, to welcome me. Yes. So there was the second day, and there was this brewing session that was happening, and he told me to check this knob of the big fermenting tank, and I just went and I checked it. Apparently, opening it, the beer would fall from the top, and he did not tell me this. He knew that I would do such a blunder. So the second day, I was fully drenched in the beer, all sticky, and he was laughing after that. So
Oh.
that was a welcome to leave.
But back home here, when you told your mom or your father
Mhm.
that from tomorrow you're going to a beer factory for internship, did they tell you not to drink every day?
Yes, definitely. My mom was like, I understand you're going there, but don't drink there whenever you go. Please do not do that.
so,
Just
so,
work.
so when they came to know that you literally had a bath.
Yes, so the thing was, my mom was like, "So what did you do on your first day? I hope you did not drink any beer there." I said, "Mom, I did not drink. I literally bathed in the drink." So that was a funny experience.
Great, great, great. We will be talking to Tanvi about many, many things. Tanvi, just tell me before we move to next episode tomorrow. Just tell me today which are the countries that you visited around, because Sweden you had visited
Yeah.
before going to France, but
Yes.
during your stay at France, which are the various countries that you visited?
The first one that we went to was Belgium. We
Okay.
went to Brussels with my classmates from ISA,
Uh,
and later I visited Netherlands, then also Germany, then Switzerland to my uncle's place with my
okay.
cousin, and Switzerland, Germany. Later went to
I think you passed through Hungary
Yes,
also in
yes,
between.
yes. And to meet my Serbian friend, I went to Serbia
Okay.
and passed Hungary on the way. And also,
Netherlands also, I think you went
yes,
to.
Netherlands, Belgium. Yeah, I think that's all.
Wow, great. So you have now friends in these countries. I think you stayed at your friends' places. So you
Yeah,
actually saw the family life in different
yes,
houses, in Serbian house
yes,
or in a
yes.
French family or
Mhm.
maybe in different places. So I think you have a lot to share, and your friends also will tell lots and lots of stories in the next episodes to come. But before this, as you said, that food was one thing that connected you to people of different continents and different
Yeah,
countries. Secondly, I think you are music lover. That's how you suddenly went and you searched like what is the
yeah,
music group
yeah,
in Toulouse. So in Lille also you must music also must have
yeah.
played a lot of role. So did you create your niche that yes, Tanvi the singer in your university?
Yes, the first song that I sang in my university, there was this program where I was the opening singer and I sang Kamli.
Wow.
Yes, and it was in front of around 300 French people and
Okay.
some of my other friends.
Okay.
So they literally loved it, and they praised me a lot on that. And I sang also some other English songs during our Thursday parties.
Okay.
Also, Thursday parties from that I remember. Our college, ISA, not normally, but not normal in India, but there it is very normal that Thursdays they have a college party which it arranges after the school,
Okay.
and in that we can perform, sing, and there is irrespective of other things, if people can drink if they want, they can enjoy, they can dance, they can do whatever. In that, our teachers also used to be included.
Wow.
And which was it was pretty much open for everybody and anybody.
But like, okay, me being a teacher in a junior
Yes.
college here, tomorrow if I decide, okay, let's be friends with my students, and if they are partying somewhere or there is a DJ going on, and if I enter there, I don't think they'll welcome me. They will be just, oh my God, why this lady has come here? So how was it there? Like,
They welcomed us actually.
okay.
It's the exact opposite, and we were a bit in awe, all the maybe all the Indian students. But then we got used to it pretty quickly.
Okay. So it wasn't creating any change in
No.
the way students would behave, even though there are teachers partying with them.
They would be we were like normal adults who would behave to each other just because of who they are, and not because they are the teachers or what.
Okay, so once you come for
Yeah,
party, like that distinction between
yeah.
student and teacher is not there.
No, there is
Okay, that was
none.
something different and
Yeah.
nice. So I think you have many, many more things to share. So viewers, stay tuned for the next episode, which will be released tomorrow. So with this, we say bye bye. Let's meet again this global Desi girl Tanvi in tomorrow's episode. Bye
Bye.
bye.